Okay, guys, so today our goal is going to be, we're going to practice adding 3-digit numbers. So that means we're going to have the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place, right?
Yeah.
Oops, learn to spell, Mr. Forstall. So 1, 1, 1 would really be, that's not 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's really 111. Yes, so that, how many tens are there, Sarah? Yep, so we know this is the tens place, right? Because it's next to the ones place, we know that. And so how many tens are there, Sarah?
1.
Okay. How many hundreds are there, Sarah?
1.
Awesome, Sarah. Good job. Okay. Sitting still there, Lex. Cool. Okay. So we're going to use some of the same strategies that we've been using to do hundreds that we've been doing for double digits, right? So we've got our break apart stickers, hundreds charts. If I'm adding hundreds, more than one, would it be easy to use a hundreds chart, do you think, or not as easy? Not as easy? Is that what you guys think?
Yeah.
So, could it be done, do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think it would be a little harder. So we're not going to practice that one today. But we are going to do count up, because I think that's one you could do, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you guys look up at the board, though, I've already got this up here that says we're going to practice stickers first, okay? So stickers, I have a problem on the board that says 29 plus 65, and I already have the lines and the X's on there. Does everybody agree with Mr. Forstall that that's how we would do it?
Yes.
So Dino says yes. Everybody says yes. Now, are you guys just trusting me? You don't? Your feet on your desk.
I do.
You don't trust me? Are you looking then? Do you need to get closer?
I'm looking.
Okay. Okay, so we have 29. So how many groups of 10, Sarah?
2 groups of 10.
2 groups of 10. Did I say 9? I'm sorry. 2 groups of 10. And then how many X's, Sarah?
9.
9 groups? Okay. And Sam, how many groups of 10 and 65?
6.
6. And how many X's?
5.
Okay, so you'll notice my 10s, I've got them all together for 2. And then I've got the 65 in a group of 5. And then another one for that same group, kind of separated out. That helps me count them up. Some of the problems we've been having with our count up, our stickers I mean, is when we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, it gets really confusing. I can start here, I know that's a group of 5. So I can say 5 or 50, 60, 70, 80. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So, and then we'll go 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, with me now, 86,
87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. I got it.
Okay, so the answer is?
94.
Yes. Okay, now when we're counting these here, can we go by 5s because I've got them grouped in groups of 5?
Yeah.
Yeah. If that's what you choose to do, that's something you can do. Now, let's say instead of it being 29 plus 65, it's really 329 plus 400.
Oh.
65.
Level 2, level 1.
Right?
Yeah.
So, what would we do then? How do we write that, Sarah?
You would do
3 what?
hundreds, like
How do we write hundreds for our stickers? We've got X, our lines for 10s, X's for 1s.
draw 3 cubes.
Now a cube, that's 3-dimensional. So this is a cube. That's a cube.
No, that's
A square. Okay, there's a difference, right? This is a square.
That's a 3D square.
A cube is three-dimensional, so a cube's like a block or something if we were to play with blocks and build blocks. So how many of these did you say, Sarah? Okay. Braden, how many tens? 2. And Lucy, how many ones? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, plus 465. Journey, how many hundreds?
4.
4, so I put what?
4 squares.
4 squares? Okay, and then what?
6 tens.
6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then Ava.
5 ones.
5 ones. So what do we notice that's the same with this one and this one? What do we notice? Vince?
That the tens and ones are the same thing, and they added hundreds.
So we're just adding one extra step to how we add this together?
Yeah, you're adding the hundreds. It's the same answer as 10 ones.
Okay.
With the
So we're using what we already know and we're just adding one little step, right? Does everybody understand what a square represents? Claire? 100. Mason, what does a square represent?
3, 4, 5.
What does a square represent?
100.
Awesome. Good work out of you, Mason. Okay, so do we want to try one of these?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, we're going to do one of these. Should we do it together first?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah? Oh, you guys think you can do one by yourselves?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go in a circle this way. You see what we're doing? Whiteboards out, back to your seat. So we're all lining up this way. Get your whiteboard, sit down again. Go. Oh, good choice out of you. Way to be patient. Appreciate that. It's not bad. We're not talking about breaks until Ian's back. Actually, until we're done recording. Okay. Brain break. Okay, go.
What's up?
Go. Okay, good job, Lily. Good job, Vince. Good job, Pipes. Sarah's got hers. Delaney's walking back on hers. Good work, Journey. Lucy, awesome. Huh? For what? For this? Oh, I don't know.
Where did Mason go?
I'm not even paying attention to that right now.
Oh, Ian, it's my turn.
Shh, go sit down first. After this. Anyway, go get a whiteboard and a marker, please. Not during this. Not during this time. Okay. Okay.
Ow.
Add this together. You guys ready?
No. Yeah. I You're no more talking, Sam. We should start taking pin numbers in the chair. This is you freaking
Do you need a break? Write your note. Write your note.
What's your note?
That break? You want that break? What's that? Well, we're not doing that for another 20 minutes. Have you got a whiteboard?
I'm going to take a break.
Okay, write me a note. Okay. You haven't done it right yet. So, I would like us to solve this using this method. Stickers. So, you will make sure you use the squares, the lines, and the X's. Solve that problem. The problem in the square, okay. walking. Are you okay? You gonna be okay? Who's getting hurt if she copies? If you want, you can scoot right over there, okay? Okay. So, if you look at my board there, yep, see how I have 329 there, 465. You see how I did that? You know how to do it? You know what I'm asking? Awesome.
700.
We'll do it together.
75.
No, you don't have to.
I know it, Mr. Forza.
No, that's okay. Make sure you pay attention. Okay, fist of 5. 5 minutes I need. A lot more. 1 minute, I'm almost done. What's it? How much more time do we need?
I'm dead. Not yet.
So, this means I'm done. One more. Keep going. Once you do that.
I need like
Okay.
3 seconds.
Yep, just give me that and finish it. Awesome. So, we're going to go a couple more minutes, it looks like. Keep going. Keep working.
I did not hear.
This is kind of awesome. Write that equation. Write it down. Let's go.
375. No, it's not.
Okay.
I mean, no.
So we're going to get started now.
775.
It's okay. Let's only speak after we've been called on now. Especially if we're excited about talking about the answer.
I said it wrong.
It's okay. Don't worry. So, let's go with Nalini. Can you help me out on the first one? 341 plus 434. What should I put for 341?
That's easy.
3 squares.
That's the same answer.
Yes. 4 lines. Awesome. Okay. And let's go with Lily. You have an answer for a little while. Oh, no. We're going to do this one. Notice how we just drew this picture out for stickers? Let's do stickers on this one now. So how do we do 434?
Oh, you put 4 squares.
Okay, awesome.
3 tens.
3 tens.
4 ones.
4 ones. Okay, so now what do we have to do? Jesse, what do we do next? Now that we've put all of our sticks and stickers out there, what do we do?
Yeah.
We count them up. Awesome. How much is this worth, Jess?
100.
100, so we have Jesse? Okay.
102.
No, not 102, it's 200, right? 100 plus 100 is?
200. 300. 400. 500. 600. 700.
Everybody agree it's 700 so far?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, it's 700.
I'm going to shh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700. I'm going to put that right there in the middle. How many tens, Jess?
110.
Oh, no, let's just count the tens real quick.
100.
Oh, no.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
Oops. And Jesse?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. So what do we think the answer is? We just add these together, right? So, what's the answer, Jess? It's, say, what is that number? No, it's not 100, it's
700.
775. Is that what everybody got? Let's see.
Yeah. Yes. I guessed it. I really guessed
Okay.
Hey, you forgot me.
Good work.
No, Mr. Frizzle. The other one.
Yep, I saw you.
Okay.
So go ahead and wipe your boards, and we're going to talk about the next method.
Wipe.
Okay, the next method. So I've got, that was stickers.
Break apart.
We're going to do break apart next. I've always thought break apart and sticks and stickers were kind of the same.
Yeah, I love it.
So, break apart right there. We've got the number 34 plus 71 equals. Okay, what? We've got it right here, right? So we're just going to go through how to do it again. So once everybody's got it, if you'd like to move your desk over there, you may. Or your chair over there, you may. Okay, so 34 plus 71. Can you see okay, Michael? You good? Okay. So then I broke it apart right here. 34 is really 30 plus 4. Everybody agree with that? Yeah? Okay. Well, then you should move so you can see, buddy. It's okay to. And then I also have 71, and I broke it apart 70 and 1. See, I've got my lines for those two. Colin, are you copying this down?
I'm not.
Are you working on it? Are you doing it? Keep doing it. Are you doing it? Yes, please. Okay. Good work, good work. Jesse, you doing okay? Okay. Pipes, how you doing?
Someone took my blue. Good. It's hard for blue. Yeah, this one is still.
Okay. We'll get you more if we need it. You got it? Will it work for this minute? Keep working for this minute. When.
Are we adding up? Wait.
So now we've got 34. So let's add our tens together.
It's 1. We're making.
What does 30 plus 70 equal?
Oh,
Yeah. It's important to write neat. If we can't read our writing, it's going to be a lot more difficult, isn't it, kiddo?
Oh.
Okay, yes, Journey.
It equals 100.
100? You agree with me? Awesome. And then what does 4 plus 1 equal? Sarah? 5. Awesome. And we just add them together, right?
Yeah.
I've got my lines here. 100 plus 5 equals? Lily? 105. Okay. So you ready to do the hard thing now?
Sure.
We agree. We've been doing pretty well with this one, haven't we? Yeah? Time to add that next step so we can do hundreds?
Yes.
So, 234 plus 400. Yeah, go ahead and erase your board. Sorry, guys.
400. It says it down.
Okay. Now notice I wrote it plenty wide.
Why?
You'll see.
Why now?
So, everybody ready?
Yeah.
We ready?
Yeah.
You looking at me? Okay, so break it apart.
Oh, we have enough.
Yeah, so we don't confuse ourselves, right? Then I'm going to do the same thing here. It's very important to not confuse yourself when you're doing things like this. So notice how I have an invisible line in my head that says all the hundreds are right here. You guys see that? I have an invisible line in my head that says the tens are right here and the ones are down here. That way when I add them up, I don't get confused. And I'm not adding 30 to 400 or something silly like that, right? Okay, so let's add our hundreds together. Riley, you want to do me the honor of adding these together for me? So what do you think?
200 400 equals 600.
Okay. And then let's keep going. 100. Okay.
And 4 plus 1 equals 5.
Okay, so the 105, that looks pretty familiar, doesn't it? You guys see that? So we're just adding another step again. You guys see that? We're just adding one more step to something we've already been doing.
Where are you putting your...
Yes, Ian?
Where are you putting that, how to solve it at?
So I've got my lines down for 200 and 400, right?
Yeah.
And then I've got my line down for 30 and 70. And then I've got 200 plus 400 equals...
So, alright, where's your 200 at?
200,
Yeah.
400 equals 600.
But I don't get it.
You don't get it.
Yeah, what if like an alien whatever you say come down? You mean UFO?
Oh, you mean to explain it to somebody very, very simple? If an alien came down and didn't know anything else?
Yeah.
Okay.
You
So,
mean they drive in a UFO?
yeah, if they showed me up. So are you saying for this part here?
It looks like you're doing like there's a 600 that you're putting the line down.
Okay, so you're saying, Mr. Forstall, when you put it right there in the middle like that, it's confusing me? Okay. Would you rather I did this?
Yeah.
Does that make you feel better? Who likes this way of doing it better than the way I did it?
Me.
You guess what, guys? Whatever works for you. Let's do it this way today, and we'll see how we do it. Let's do it Ian's way.
I made mine 100.
Okay.
Can you help me? I don't have it. Yeah,
Well, just look up here then for right now. When you do your own, you want to write a little bit smaller,
Yeah,
okay?
I'll just do
So,
it on this, put it.
okay. Okay. So we've got 600. We've got 100. We've got 5. So what's the answer then? Ava?
75.
75?
700.
Oh, good work. Good work.
Yeah.
Okay, does everybody agree with Ava?
Yes.
Yes? Awesome. Go ahead and clear off your boards. You guys ready?
No, it's 600.
No, it's...
Where's the 700?
Remember, it was 105 is what 34 plus 71 is. And then we added, the numbers became 234 and 471. So that's really 705. Because we... You get it? Okay. You guys ready to solve this one on your own?
Yes. Using what strategy?
We're going to use the same strategy, break apart.
Yes.
Yay? You like it? Yep. Yeah, you guys got to do it without me helping this time, okay?
Yay!
Yay! So, oh, should I give you a hard one?
Yes.
576
What?
plus 419.
That's easy.
Easy? Are you sure? Oh, I like the sound of it. No, show me. Show me. Don't chant it. Show me. Show me how easy it is. Show me how easy it is. So. Where you have, right now we're practicing break apart. Yes, we've got to use that one. So we're just practicing right now. That's how we get better at it, okay? Practice it now. That way if we need to use it later, we can. So, good work. Good work. I like how I see a lot of my friends writing very small to make sure they have enough room. Yep, yeah, you learned from your last time, didn't you? Awesome. Feeling good? Feeling okay? You know what to do? Yep, yep. Okay, cool. Okay, so how many hundreds?
No, 400.
What's the number there? Okay, so is that the hundreds place?
Let's stop for a second. 4 plus 5. This is the top here, okay? So there's enough room.
You know what to do? So you're going to put it apart. So you have your 500.
Okay, so that was
70 or 400. 900. Right? And you're going to add. No, don't solve it right there. You've got the whiteboard to solve it here and show me your work. Okay? So if you get it wrong, I go back and I see what you do. Okay?
plus Q.
That way, when we practice it a little bit, you're better off, right?
Plus Q.
Okay. Need help? Okay.
Look on your chart.
Found the answer.
Your 70 go up to that.
Found the answer. 8. I found the answer. Okay. I already found the answer. Mr.
I know, it's hard. It looks.
It's long.
Yep. I don't agree. Don't agree.
This one comes out.
Okay. Okay, you ready? Get the whiteboard in mind.
Next time, first call for a room.
Oh, I thought, okay. Grab whiteboard. Okay.
Put the 0 in the middle. Oh no, the computer just stopped.
Go ahead and circle your answer so I can find it really quick. Dino's got his answer circled.
The computer just went off.
What is it? What number?
Huh?
The computer ended the 20 minutes.
No, it's still going.
But I heard
Although we need to wrap this up, don't we? So, okay. So I see lots of different answers here. So
995.
Ian, I'm going to ask you not to scream out the answers anymore, okay? Okay. So what answers do we have?
I can't figure it out.
Ian. Okay, Ian says 995.
It's 995.
Who has a different answer? Just a different answer. If you agree, great. Go ahead and put your hands down. If you have a different answer, let me know. Journey? 919. Okay. Caden, you have a different answer?
Yeah, 906.
1,000.
1006. Yeah, 1006.
This?
Yep.
Okay. Delaney?
903.
959. Anyone else have something different? Sarah?
905.
905.
Vince, you forgot one.
Vince, you agree with those? One of those? You do? Okay. Think away. Okay, so we've got lots of different choices here.
Can I take a break?
I need to finish this first. Okay, so let's see. Our number 234 plus 471. How many? Okay, so there's 200s, right?
Yeah.
And there's 400.
That's exactly the way I did it.
Then we've got 30.
Taught me how to do it now. I just use it.
Lots of talking, guys. Let's make sure we're looking. And 70.
That's still fun, huh?
Oh. Thank you, Caden. Okay. So far, you agree how I broke this down?
Yes,
Okay.
I agree.
Well done. So I'm going to add my 200 to 400. I don't know. I used the wrong equation, didn't I?
Yeah.
That was kind of a bonehead move on Mr. Forstall's part.
Come on, bonehead. Yeah, Mr. Forstall.
I lost my equation.
Zero.
576.
576 plus 419. 419.
419?
Yep. 419.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so we have 500 then. Sorry, guys. 76.
Yeah. Dad, you forget.
400. 10. Okay, 500 plus 400. 900. Hey guys, let's look up here now. 70 plus 10 is 80. 6 plus 9 is 15. Okay, now I've got another group of 10 here, don't I? My 15 has one group of 10 and one of 5. So I'm going to get rid of that right away, and I'm going to add that to my 80.
It's 19.
Because that makes my math easier. So, now I've got 90s, right? 900, 90, and 5. So, I know that I can take 90, just flip it right into there. 900 plus 90. 5 plus 995. What's the answer? Okay, so we're going to use, I'm going to hand out a worksheet. We're going to choose 5 on this problem. We're going to solve 3 of them using break apart. We're going to solve, or no, excuse me. You'll get to choose 3 using the strategy you like better, 2 using the strategy you like less. Stickers or break apart. Okay?
I love you.
Turn your whiteboards in and collect your papers or get your worksheets.